Chase Inc. Business Preferred ASA pricing explained what you get for your money. The Chase Inc. Business Preferred card is one of the best business cards for earning flexible rewards while managing expenses efficiently. Most people get this wrong by underestimating its bonus structure, but it's designed to deliver high points on essential business spending. The card has an annual fee of and offers X points on the first €0 spent annually in categories like travel, shipping, internet cable, and advertising. All other purchases earn 1 point per dollar. For small and medium businesses that spend heavily on these categories, the rewards quickly add up. New cardholders can also earn a generous sign-up bonus, often tens of thousands of points after meeting a spending threshold. Points are redeemable through Chase Ultimate Rewards for travel, cashback, or gift cards, providing maximum flexibility. Most people don't realize how much value can be extracted by transferring points to travel partners for high-value redemptions. Additional benefits include trip insurance, purchase protection, cell phone protection, and no foreign transaction fees. Online account management makes tracking expenses and integrating with accounting software straightforward, giving business owners better financial oversight. In conclusion, the Chase Inc. Business Preferred ASA card is perfect for businesses looking to maximize rewards on common expenses while enjoying robust protections. The annual fee is modest compared to the value earned through points and benefits, making it a smart investment for growing companies.